Actually, ang sarap lang niyang tignan, panoorin. And that's exactly what we're just gonna do and admire because for the last how many days, sobrang foggy, wala kang makita. So, this is such a blessing. Thank you, Lord. Sige, panoorin ko lang to ha. Dali lang to, madalang lang to eh. Hi, it's a beautiful morning here in Sapa, and it's the first time that we are waking up to no fog at all. So we are now looking at this famous view. This is where the funicular or that monorail thing is passing, and you can see the sea of clouds at the back. It's so beautiful. Hindi ako makapaniwala kanina kasi maaga ako nagising to see this. Ang dami-daming tao na gumising for this and it's absolutely breathtaking. Sobrang ganda. Our schedule for today is we're doing Fancy Pan today. Hopefully it's the good weather stays. Sana tuloy-tuloy lang siya. And I'm really excited that finally the weather is getting better so we can do more activities. I'll share them later dito sa susunod nating mga video. So what I did is I booked my tickets sa Klook and I took the monorail and the cable car at saka yung one-way na paakyat sa peak mismo. And then I'll just go down ng dahan-dahan dun sa cable car station where there's also like parang may park din doon or malaking area doon na we can explore at merong mga photo areas doon. So today is a super nice day kasi ngayon lang siya talaga naging sunny since dumating tayo nung the 21st and I think today is the 25th. So ngayon ko lang to nakita kaya I'm super happy na nakita ko siya. And ayan, nakakaaliw lang siya and I can already imagine how beautiful it will be when we go up doon sa taas. So let's just enjoy the view and be thankful that God has blessed us with such a great weather today. Good morning, good morning. As promised, maaga tayong aakyat. The weather is so beautiful, so we'll take advantage of it. So, from my accommodation dito, ayan lang yung Sapa Station. So wala pa sigurong 3 minutes. Medyo mahangin. Kaya yun tayo dumaan. Medyo mahangin sa labas. Hindi ko sure kung naririnig nyo ako. Baka muffled. Xin chào. Yeah? Thank you. Okay. Monorail. Excuse me. Sorry. Ito yung itsura ng kanilang monorail. So if you go there, doon sa kabila na yon, liliko lang siya. Which is nice. Ayan. So I'm sure lahat sila, pila sila kung saan Pipila sila kung saan yung malapit sa Sea of Clouds. Pero tayo, hindi tayo pipila dun kasi we can actually see that from our accommodation. So tayo, at saka pag nilabas ko kasi itong aking stick, tapos dumaan yung isa, baka mabutol siya. And we can always, what do you call this? We can always do that pabalik. Kay may view, kay wala, it's okay. Pero ako, ang interest ko talaga is to see the hotels overlooking it. Parang gano'n. Okay. Ayan na, umandam na siya. Wow! Ayun ang ating accommodation. So yun, hindi na natin titignan yan kasi may Sea of Clouds na tayo kanina. So ngayon, okay na tayo dito sa loob. Okay, let's just enjoy the ride. And then, see you when we get to the other station. Ayan yung sa Mongha Station, merong mga mga photo spots, kumbaga. Ayan. Monghua Station. Ganyan po ang itsura nung funicular. Ayan. Such a beautiful day. Okay, let's go. Cable car na muna tayo.
For one person?
One, yeah. Thank you. Ayan. So, ito yung pila. Hindi pa masyadong, I don't know, kung hindi pa naman siguro ito masyadong busy. Yan. Tapos wala, pag saklop kayo kumuha ng tickets nyo, yung actual na nasa phone na ninyo, yung QR code na, ang gagamitin nyo pagpasok. Ayan siya, Fancy Pan Legend. Yun na yung gagamitin nyo. So, hindi ka na magre-redeem ng ticket, yun na agad yun. Ready to use, kumbaga. So, itong station na to, ang pangalan niya ay Gahaolian. Gahaolian Cable Car or Haolian Station. Ayan. So, normally siguro napupuno to ng sobra kaya ang dami na nilang barricades na permanent na halos. 'Di ba? Anyway. So, antay lang tayong konti. And then, I'll see you pag pasakay na tayo. Ako, pasakay na tayo. Mukhang may kalamigan siya. Malakas yata yung hangin. So, maghanda tayo ng very, very light. Marami naman siya actually. Mabilis lang yung pila. Kung tutuusin. Ayan. Okay, here we go. Dito na siya. Wow. Medyo nakakatakot siya. Ang ganda. Medyo nakaka-nervous. Kuha muna tayong selfie. I believe na itong fancy pan na cable car na to has apparently broken some world records. I think dalawa. Hindi ko pa nare-research. Pero we'll do that later and then we'll just put it as a caption. So, isa siya sa 3 cable yata. Isa. And then, meron pa siyang isa na na-break na record. So, it's a 20-ish minutes ride to the next station. And enjoy lang natin yung view. And then, we're very grateful for the good weather. As you can see, clouds, nakikita mo na dun sa baba. Discolored. May bumabahin. Anyway, so yun lang. Enjoy muna natin yung ride. Okay?
Nếu cần sự hỗ trợ, hãy vui lòng liên hệ theo số điện thoại phòng chăm sóc khách hàng trên cabin 0948 30 9999. Xin chân thành cảm ơn quý khách.
Welcome to Sun World Fansai Mall Legend. Currently, strong winds are affecting the area. For your safety, please remain seated, avoid moving around, and do not open the cabin windows. If you
So we are almost here. Lapit na tayo. Ito na yung station. One tip pala pag aakyat kayo is you try to bring a chewing gum kasi masyadong mataas yung elevation. So nagpa-pop yung tenga mo because of the altitude. Or, pwede muna ka na lumunok. Ganon. But we are here now. And medyo marami ng tao, but it's okay. Let's go straight up. Pagdating dito, ayan na. There you go. Kumakaway na sila. Kasi hindi tayo pinababa eh. Ayan na. Ayan na. We are now here by the Peak Tram, and as you can see, I have the sea of clouds sa taas. Beautiful, just beautiful. And in a few minutes, we're just resting, and then we're gonna go take the Peak Tram already. Thank you. We're now taking the Peak Tram, I think, going to the Peak. Nakakapagod umakyat. And we have a position we need to be holding on because it's super steep going up. Okay? And you'll have an idea. You'll have an idea with how it's shaped. So, yeah.
And it hugs the mountain, does it? This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's why it's not too scary in that sense.
Oh, jalannya. Oh, iya.
Yeah. Okay. Here we go. It's gonna be packed. It's gonna be a short one, but packed. Thank God. Okay, that was scary. Here we go. Let's go out. So, kakaakyat lang natin from the Peak Tram. You have to rest kasi meron pang, I think, 3 flights or 2 flights of stairs para makarating dun sa peak talaga. So, rest lang muna. Please don't forget to rest. Nandito ka na. The weather is good. So, just take time and chill and admire the view. Okay? I'll see you when we get up. Rest lang muna and drink some water. Guys, dito na tayo sa final stretch. So, ang reminder ko lang sa inyo, huwag kayong magmamaasim. huwag mahihiyang magpahinga dahil the air is so thin. Kahit 1, 2, 3, tas mag-rest kayo. 1, 2, 3, tas mag-rest kayo. Dahil sobrang taas ng kinalalagyan nyo. So there is no shame in making sure that hindi ka masyadong masistrain dahil sobrang thin ng air. Parang ganun. Okay? So yun, rest tayo, ha? We are now officially here, the top of Indochina, and let's take an amazing view of everything. So guys, this is it. We are here on top of Indochina. And as you can see, if we do a 360, you'll see Vietnamese flags and all of those fancy pan markers. And if I am not mistaken, it's 3,143 meters above sea level. So it's really beautiful. We have a good weather, and it's just an amazing sight. So we'll do a couple of more photos, pero I'm just really happy that we came at a good time and God has blessed us with a good weather here at Fancy Pan. Isang tip pala when you're going here is, of course, you need to dress for the weather, and then you have to make sure that you have your water, you have a piece of snack, and then siguro you bring mitts or scarves, because you never know, the weather could be unpredictable. And you have to have very good walking shoes. Ano pa ba? Don't forget to take a break, because yung akyat, it's not very easy. So you have to really pace yourself, because the air at this height is very thin. So it's in your best interest to rest, and then when you go here and when you're on top, if you think na medyo maraming tao, you can always rest and wait until, let's just say, the coast is clear for you to get the photos that you want. Okay? So this is me here enjoying the peak, and then later we'll go down again and enjoy yung dun sa may cable car area naman, and then I'll take you there as well. So this is Fancy Pan. I'll take a couple of videos, walking videos around para makita ninyo. And if you're here, this is one of the experiences that you'd want to do. Okay? I'll see you in a little bit. Ikot lang ako. Okay? Bye. Carrie.
She went up to the top.
No, I saw her. I took a photo of her.
Did you? Oh,
Yeah, how about here? Did you get a photo here?
on the way down, I didn't see her.
Oh, she's still going around a little bit? Yeah. But then she's... Okay, did... Yeah, for sure. Okay, go. I'll go down a bit. Oh, the flag. Okay. This one first before... Okay.
Let's get the flag up there.
I'll try to get it up. Yeah, there. No, this is good. Okay, one more. Okay, here we go. Awesome.
One of those extended selfie sticks.
Right, and then it stands up on its own, so I just put my bag and So beautiful.
Yeah, wow. Like you're on top of the world.
I know.
Where is the base? I see the cable there.
The cable.
It goes around the bend, I guess.
No, it just that's where we
Oh, I
were,
think I see it. Yeah.
and then
It's, in the clouds.
clouds, and then we just go straight in here, and then this is. I'm interested to know what that other one is, though. You see, there's another rail
Yeah.
over on that other side.
It looks like it's under construction.
Yeah, it is under construction. I think it's probably a more.
We have one.
Yeah, up and down. Yeah,
Distance away, so too long.
true. Yeah, they're creating. I think there are two tracks. Maybe one,
Maybe they'll use one.
go up and then the other one is to go down. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah, there's a switch over there.
Switch over there so that they wait and then another one goes. Yeah, it's a better one. Yeah. I am very happy we got. I'm very happy we got very good videos and photos here at the peak. Nakakatuwa. Ang daming tao. And thank you Jesus for the good weather. Pagkatapos natin dito, I think dahil hindi tayo kumuha ng round trip from the peak tram going up, we're gonna take the stairs down para maikot natin yung Buddha. Those are other sites na pupuntahan natin. But we'll just rest for a little bit and enjoy the sights bago tayo bumaba. Okay? Yan. So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa harap nitong giant Buddha. Ayan. Super laki niya. And it's really, really massive. I think ito yung pinakamalaking nakita ko so far. Medyo haggard yung hagdanan pababa. But manageable naman if you rest in between. Diba? Pero kung may option kayo for that amount, kunin nyo na yung funicular, yung peak tram going up, and then kung hindi nyo kaya mag-stairs and hindi to masyadong particular na gusto nyong makita o makapagpa-picture, you can actually take another tram going down. Pero if kaya naman mag-rest-rest lang ng konti, then you can always climb down. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Sun World Fancy Pan Legend. Tapos na tayo. We're just passing by and then we'll go to the village. Pero, syempre, we need to take our photo first. Okay? Let's go! Guys, nasa likod ko, yung temple or yung pagoda. Pagoda ba to? Parang pagoda to. Masyadong malakas yung hangin. Kung nakikita nyo, nakakatakot. So, kung may scarf kayo, pag nandito kayo, even if it's a beautiful day, ang lakas ng hangin. Siguro dahil mataas na siya. And then, kanina dun sa ating pangalan nito, cable car, nakikita mo na gumagapang na uli, pabalik yung fog. So, before that takes over the entire place as well, ikot na tayo and then let's do our photos. Okay? So marami talagang mga picture spots dito, hindi lang yung katulad nung doon sa taas. Meron din silang palang part dito na maraming mga ganito. Hindi ko pa siya niintindihan. But I'm taking all of the photos muna. And then I'll figure it out later na lang. So ito, nagpa-picture ako dito. Tapos maraming pa dito. Paglabas mo nung station ng cable car. May similarities. So mga kaibigan, merong dilubyong naganap. Ang ating Osmo 360 ay nadulas at nahiga siya dun sa sahig. And unfortunately, in doing so, biglang nagpixelate yung screen niya. Tapos nakita ko na medyo may konting damage yung lens. Ito ngayon ang lens na ginagamit ko. So, nandito banda yung parang scratch niya. Pero minor scratch lang naman yun. So, yun ang nangyari. So, for now, I can't see the screen. Pero I can always use my phone to record. So, it's still a good day. Pagdating sa Pilipinas, then, paayos na lang natin sa DJI, sa service center, para maayos siya. And then I know may konting fee, pero that's okay. Or kung may warranty pa kasi bago lang naman to, we'll see kung ano ang pwede nilang gawin. Alright? It was a fun, super fun trip. Marami pang mga picture places dito na pinupuntahan sila. And the weather is still good, so it's still a good blessing. So, yun lang po. I think we might end our amazing Fancy Pan trip or adventure today. So, yun lang until our next video. Maybe tomorrow na yon para isipin ko muna ang gagawin ko bukas. But, thank you again for joining me. I hope you enjoyed. And see you in the next video. Be good humans. Bye.